My dear brothers and sisters, Ya Ali Madad, on behalf of the National Council, institutions and the Ismailia Tariqa and Religious Education Board of Tanzania, I would like to wish you, your families and our community heartily Eid al-Fitr Mubarak. As we anticipate Eid in the next few days, I hope you are all safe and well celebrating with your close family at home and taking care of each other. Eid is an occasion of joy and celebration. It brings a message of sharing happiness with family and our brothers and sisters in faith. Let us take this time to reflect on the month of Ramadan and be grateful, humble, and remain positive within our families. The month of Ramadan has given us a wonderful opportunity of transforming our material and spiritual lives. Let us seek maximum benefit from this time and try as much as possible to spend cherished and memorable moments with our loved ones, with your families at home. Pray for others, contribute to those in need, and support causes through our community. Let us continue to adopt best practices in all forms of life, even beyond the holy month. The practice of continued zikr, bandgi, supplication, other forms of ibadat, and various other good deeds will help us lead a pious life, which should be our aim throughout the year. Although Jamaat Khanas are presently closed, the liberty of personal and private search is always available. Inshallah, with prayers and patience, we will eventually see them open once again for barakah and blessings. Let us adopt discipline in our daily lives, emphasizing on the message by the President of the National Council of Tanzania that we need to continue to take care of our health and immunity, especially in this difficult time. In religious teachings, we are advised that our body is like a temple in which the spark of the divine ignites. Therefore, we must keep our body and soul healthy, active, and clean. We must continue to seek inspiration from faith and never forsake hope. Maulana Hazar Imam said in his recent message to the global Jamaat that we will see a gradual return to normal life, and his Jamaat should plan to build for the future from a positive of strength and wisdom. We know it will not be easy, as this Eid we cannot visit each other's homes and celebrate all together. But this does not mean that we cannot enjoy at home with our families and virtually with our loved ones wherever they may be. As Maulana Hazar Imam has been known to say, let us enjoy and celebrate with biryani and happiness in festivity. May the entire Jamaat continue to have grace, guidance, wisdom, happiness of Din and Dunya, and barakah in our material and spiritual lives. Ameen. The National Muslim Council in Tanzania, BAKWATA, has announced 3 days of prayers this weekend. Let us join our brothers and sisters and offer our humble shukrana to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and pray for strength and mushkil asan. Ameen. Once again, I wish you and your families Eid Mubarak. Thank you and Ya Ali Madad.